This brown liquid may not look impressive, but for my garden, it's liquid gold. And the best part, it comes straight from my kitchen waste through this tower. Every day, we throw away food scraps, banana peels, vegetable ends, coffee grounds. But instead of sending them to landfills, I decided to let nature do the recycling. This vertical garden tower composts my kitchen waste, grows veggies, and produces compost tea all at once. Inside the center of the tower is a compost tube. I feed it with food waste and compost worms. As the worms break down the scraps, nutrients seep into the soil. Rain or watering pulls this nutrient-rich liquid to the bottom, creating compost tea naturally. Every few days, I collect the leachate from the tray beneath the tower. It's dark, earthy, and packed with life. I dilute it with water, about 1 part tea to 5 parts water, and pour it around my plants. Sometimes I filter it and spray it on leaves. My plants absolutely love it. This natural tea strengthens roots, boosts growth, and helps fight off disease. It improves soil health by adding beneficial microbes. And it costs me nothing. No electricity, no machines, no store-bought fertilizer, just food waste, worms, and water. After a few weeks of using this compost tea, my plants became greener, stronger, and more productive. I'm growing food, reducing waste, and improving the soil, all in one system. It's simple, it's sustainable, and it works. If you're looking for an easy way to turn kitchen scraps into something amazing for your garden, this towel might be what you're looking for. Like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY eco solutions. And if you're curious how to build one of these towers, I've got a video coming next. Stay tuned.